in the room to be installed, making sure it is perfectly flat and tension-free. Knee kicker is to be used for positioning only. Should be installed with a consistent pile direction. This can be determined several ways. We recommend the pencil and paper test. To perform the pencil and paper test, place a round object in the center. Roll the pencil back and forth, which will cause the paper to walk in the direction of the pile. The seams must be straight-edged from the back. Tape is to be applied around the perimeter of the room within 1/2 inch of any vertical abutment and at all seams. The use of tape at all seams is required in order to maintain coverage under the warranty. Be sure to smooth the tape, removing all air bubbles. Unfold into the adhesive or tape, starting with the seam edges, making sure the seam edges are not gapped or overlapped. Then press or tractor the seam. Seams do not require sealing. To trim the wall, use a razor blade knife or suitable wall trimmer. If transitions are taller than the attached cushion, then the transition is to be trimmed and tucked. If it is shorter than the attached cushion, then appropriate molding should be used.